Welcome to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we will discuss about the line tool, dimensioning and defining. After watching this video, you will be able to dimension and define your sketch. To start this video, we first go through the steps of the previous video. We select the part file, press OK. Now to start with the sketch, we choose the top plane and press sketch. So now as you can see, all the tools of this sketch menu have been activated, but in this video we start with line tool. We start from the origin and draw a vertical line and then again a horizontal line. Now if you go away from the line and then go back again on the line, you see two concentric circles, which doesn't means nothing, but you can draw an arc from that point now. So you can drop your arc anywhere you want. I'll drop it here. Then I'll draw some few more lines. And I'll draw another arc. Now, as you see that there are few black lines here, this one, and this one. So, and other lines are blue. So the black ones are the defined lines, because as you can see, this touches the origin here, so it is defined, and this is in line. This line is in line with this line, so they are defined here because with the constraints with origin. Now to define this sketch, we start with dimensioning it or putting it in constraint, but in this video we'll dimension it. To dimension, we choose a tool called Smart Dimension, which you can see. Now we click on the Smart Dimension and you start dimensioning the lines. So as you can see, there's a dimension given here as 79.24 millimeters. You can put it whatever length you want, but in doing problems, you put in the length which has been given to you, or you set whatever parameters you had set. For now, I'll just put it as 80 millimeters. Now you can also dimension this arc. Just click on it, and now you click again, and now there's a option for you to feed in the length, radius length. I'll put it as 16 millimeters. Now you select this line and put dimension to it. Now you can see this bar here, right? This is a rolling bar. You can move it backwards or forwards to increase the length. And for backward, when you move, you decrease the length. See here. So I'll just drop it somewhere, and by this arrow also you can increase your length or decrease your length. For now, I'll just put it 18 millimeters. Now you define your lines. I'm just putting some approximate values. See, as the lines get defined, the colors changes to black. So now you can see the whole sketch turns black, which means it's fully defined. You can also see this in the bottom here. It says fully defined. It just tells you that your sketch is whether your sketch is underdefined or fully defined. Previously, you could have seen in that it would have been written as underdefined there. Now there's another way to define your sketch. For that, at first, I'll delete these few dimensions to make the sketch as underdefined. See, now as the sketch has been underdefined. Now I go to this display/delete relations, and then I choose fully defined sketch. Now you choose the all entities in the sketch because you want to fully define your whole sketch, and you press calculate. So you can see here that your whole sketch has been defined by the SolidWorks itself. And Actually, this way is not usually preferred or followed because it puts on the approximate values according to the software. But the actual lens totally be based on the problem you are doing, the values you have been provided, or what have you have been chosen. So this will be it for this video. Do check out the description box for quiz and answer them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to Start Scratch and check out other videos to learn similar skills through our bite-sized content.